Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this maths lesson on right triangles and the Pythagoras theorem. Yes, when we are talking about Pythagoras theorem, so it means this topic is related to right triangles. So in this video we will explore what a right triangle is and how the Pythagoras theorem relates to right triangle. So let's begin with the definition of right triangle. Here is a triangle. A right triangle is a triangle that has one angle measuring 90 degrees. That mini box is called 90 degrees. Yes, right angle, that is called right angle. That is important to identify right angle in it. Why? Because the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. And we normally label it with C. And the adjacent side of a right angle, we normally label them with A and B. So, this theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of hypotenuse, which is C here, C square, is equals to the sum of the square of the lengths of the other sides of this triangle, which are A and B. So so we can say that is C square is equals to A square plus B square. So let me draw another diagram. By drawing this diagram, we need to understand the order to label a right triangle correctly. It is important to identify hypotenuse first. So the hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to the right angle, and it is the longest side of the triangle. It is essential to recognize the hypotenuse because it is labeled as C in the Pythagoras theorem formula, and which is used to calculate the length of the side of a right triangle. Therefore, identifying the hypotenuse is crucial when working with right triangles. So in this case, we can say that the theorem states that C square is equals to A square plus B square, even though you can write it as C square is equals to B square plus A square, no matter it is. Let's move to another example. Let me draw a diagram here. So here is a triangle. This is a right angle triangle. We need to identify L here, or a right angle here, and here it is. As per order, you need to identify hypotenuse first. So just think about where it is. Hypotenuse. How can I label the hypotenuse? Pause the video and understand. Yes, opposite to right angle, that will be hypotenuse. And the other sides, other adjacent sides, you can label them with A and B, and hypotenuse with C. Suppose we have a right angle triangle and with the lengths of, like, you need to find C here, and A is given with 4 and B is given with 5. So that is very simple. You just need to state a formula here, and that is C square is equals to A square plus B square. This is the time to substitute the values. C square, you will keep it as it is because you need to find it, and you will replace A with 4, that is 4 square. Here A is given 4 square, and B is 5. You will write plus 5 square. And after calculation, you will get the answer, like it will be 16 plus 5 square is 25, and C square is giving you the answer, and that is 41. Here C square is 41, but you need to find C only. What you need to do? Yes, of course, you need to take a square root on both sides because you need to remove the square here. So after calculation, you will get the answer of C, and that is 6.4. This is how you can easily calculate C. Jazakallah khair for watching video.